In this question, we have to find out the ratio of average height of students in class X to the average height of students in class Y. Now, since no variable is given for the ratio of the average height of students in class 8 and the average height of students in class Y, let's assume AX to be the average height in class X and AY to be the average height in class Y. Now, since this is all the information that is given in the question, let's move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1. So, the statement 1 tells us that the average height of the students in class X is 120 cm. This means that AX is equal to 120. But we have to find out the value of AY, or we need to know the value of AY to be able to find the ratio of AX is to AY. Since the value of AY is not given, we conclude that the statement 1 is not sufficient, and out of the given options, we eliminate options A and D. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. So, the statement 2 tells us that the average height of students in class X and class Y combined is 126 centimeters. This means that the average height of students in X plus Y is equal to the sum of heights in class X plus sum of heights in class Y. This whole thing will be divided by the total number of students that in class X and Y. Now, we just know the average value, that is, we know that AVG of X plus Y is equal to 126 centimeters. Using this, it is not possible to find out the ratio of the average height of X to the average height of students in class Y. So, we conclude that the statement 2 is also not sufficient. And we move on to the last step, which is step 3, and analyze both the statements together. So, according to the statement 1, we have the value of average height of students in class X as 120. And from statement 2, we have that average height of both the students combined in X and Y to be equal to 120. Here, the average height of the students in X and Y combined will be equal to the average height of students in X multiplied by the number of students in the class X plus the average height of students Y times the number of students in class Y. This divided by the total number of students in X and Y, which is equal to Nx plus Ny, where Nx denotes the number of students in class X and Ny denotes the number of students in class Y. So here, even if we have the value of average of both the classes combined, the value of AX, we still don't have the value of AY, NX or NY. So 3 variables are still unknown to us. Hence, we cannot find the ratio of the average height in class X to the average height of students in class Y. Hence, the statements together are also not sufficient, and thus the correct answer is option